Hey guys, and welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take and change your Eliquid in your selected mod. Yes, I know I'm cheap, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So, first of all, power it off and everything, 5 clicks. Then unscrew your tank. Do it so. Of course, you may have to clean. So, clean that in there. There. Now, for your tank, clean that really quickly. Also, choose your favorite EJuice. I'm going with custard by 510 liquid ready. Put that back there. Then what you want to do is take your tank like this, push down as so, unscrew it where you get the tank, where you get the coil, which always make sure that you clean that. Then what you want to do from here, take your whatever. This is how I clean mine. You might clean yours different, but you take your mouthpiece and blow. Till you have like a little bit left and then not much ain't got hurt, because when you take your EJuice and you pour it inside, it tends to make it a lot better. That's the coil there. Here's the tank. You want to screw that in like so. Maybe wipe off the tank. Treat this as your own little baby. Put love and care in it. Okay. Now, as you do, you unscrew top cap. Like so. Like we have this. Now, the important step is do not get none of this little section there. Open your EJuice. Smell the EJuice. See if it's a good choice to fill up your tank. Like right here. Hold on. Then fill that puppy up. Then screw it back on. Wipe it down once more to get rid of the EJuice. And the cool trick about this part is, I don't know if you are allowed, but put a little bit of this on your finger. And for all your non-vapors out there, you can actually taste this stuff. Custardy. Vanilla. Raspberry custard shit. Some people might like it, some might not. Screw it back onto your tank. Make sure your air, whatever things is open. Nope. And then power up, and then have a nice little session. After you power up, you take a nice good whiff. Let's see, before this video ends off, let's see if I can't do one thing. Well, anyways, I'm still trying to get that Conquer down. Anyways, if you like the video, leave a like. If you want to subscribe, help the channel out. Subscribe, tell your friends, and yeah, peace out, everyone.